Hello, Assalamualaikum. Thank you so much. I hope that you would be healthy and happy for today. Um, I would like to deliver about my story. It's going to be, are you going to take profit? So, mm, it's about what? As we know it. Okay, I have two characterizations, and the first is frank, and the second is manuals. Okay, what kinds of franks it is? Franks is an assessor. His job is an assessor, and his work to assess all sides of a companies or organizations as profits or non-profits oriented. And then he is so diligent to do his jobs. His company asked him to do provisional for facing all willingness of many companies and organizations. He was got the standard for preparation of going to take the assessments, right? And manual have characters such as manual is diligent, smart businessman. He has a strategic manual as a chief of a company. He is a visionary with some future plans he made. He can be a collaborative person to have his dreams come true. He has some workers to support. Right. So, how about the story is? Okay. The story begins. One day, Frank was going to visit Manuel's company. His feeling was as usually as visiting in many companies over there in that country. When opening Manuel's office door, he was just slightly seeing the hanging board written non-profit organizations. So he was never thinking too much for that board, but it made him curious to know about it. All right. So, Frank walked through Manuel's office. He knocked Manuel's office door so patiently. Hello? Is there anybody? Manuel was in the room, said, "Yeah, come on. Let you through my office and sit down. I know this has happened." Frank said, "Thank you to let me come into your room." Frank continued, "I'd like to ask you some standard questions related to your company." Manuel then answered, "All right, I'll do everything you want to know," he answered. "I will tell you my company story," he continued. "I had some plans and to build a company, of course, and I need much more money. You know, in this country, private companies should spend taxes each month, both product, workers, and company itself. It's different for a non-profit organization which is not going to pay taxes." He explained like that. Okay. Therefore, when I found some donation to set up my company from more potential people around the national and international capacity, it was time for me to set up my company Wings. So perhaps I must be left to Texas for a while. Is it wrong? I think it's not wrong. Then my strategy when I write down the hanging board, what you see, I exactly know that everyone can look at my hanging board. Okay, the hanging board says non-profit organization. How about it? He stated. And what is Frank's response? Frank just only for smiling up. And then he answered slowly but sure. The rule for non-profit organization is that forbid to take 25% profit from the product for yourself. If you have profit, it should be turned back for the organization, not for personnel. Even though it's only for 25% profit. Frank gave the response. So just that. And he continued, I hope you can get the best choice for your company for 3 times 24 hours. I want you to change your board or return the profit to your organization. He slightly said without anger to manual behavior. Okay. After that, Manuel changed the board into a profit organization and he out to pay taxes and share the company profit to people who don't need their money. Frank had been the kindest thing for giving a hand to Manuel company to grow as a health company. Some wealthy which are got with the right way is blessing from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That's my compose for you. I hope that my storytelling is make you happy and have a cheer day to run out the company. Thank you so much for your attention and Wassalamualaikum.